Small Ninja here with the bike check. Okay, so let's get started. I think these are 8.75 fit bars. Fit stem. Diamondback compression cap, I think. Salt forks. Don't know if you could see that. Salt forks and DK front rim, just regular DK. Then the Fit Edneys frame. Then I have a Fit Bike 25 tooth green sprocket with Fit Bike 3-piece crank and KMC purple chain. Then another DK back rim, Fit seat. The seat post was fit, just rawed down, and my frame is rawed down in case you guys want to know. And DK bicycle plastic pedals. Oh yeah, and my Colt Van grips. My ODI bar ends messed up my Colt ones, so yeah. And my Fit Bike 20x20.25 tire. Same one in the front, just tan wall. So yeah, that's my bike check.